Okay, so I have a tech tip for today about working on creating class lists in Google Sheets. One of the things I wanted to talk about is, like a lot of us, you might get your original class list off of a PDF. Like for us, we'll download ours from PowerSchool. And then if you want to put that into a spreadsheet, you copy that, but watch what happens when you paste it. It all goes into one cell. So we definitely don't want that. A workaround is when you paste it, instead of just clicking paste or using Control V, go to where it says paste special and then choose paste values only. And then my list all ends up in its own row. So another thing you might want to work on with your class list is you might want to split it, because I would like to have a list where I can sort either by first name or by last name. So I want to split this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my data and I'm going to go to add-ons and choose split names. If you've never worked with add-ons before, to get them, you just go to add-ons, click get add-ons, and it'll take you to the little Chrome store where you can search for the add-on you want. All right, so again, I want to make sure I have everything selected so that it splits all the names. I'm going to go to add-ons. I'm going to go to split names, hit start. It'll detect what kind of data I have, make suggestions. I can modify this if I need to, and then I just hit split. And now I have columns with first name and last name, and then I'm just going to modify this. I'll delete this column. I'll go ahead and insert a row and label first name, last name. By the way, if you did this first, if you put in first name, last name before you did the tool split names, you can actually choose to ignore the first row. All right, so hope that helps you as you're setting up your classes for 2020-21. Good luck to everybody.